Okay, I'm going to show you how to outline and fill a cookie. I'm going to start at a top point. I'm going to try going this way. Normally I go the other way, but trying not to block the camera is throwing me off. And you just let it go and drape onto the cookie. Pull it up a little bit for each point. I'm just putting a little bit of pressure. Now when I have a longer section here, I'm going to connect it. And then I'm going to pull my bag up a little and let it fall onto the cookie. So I'm not actually placing it really. I'm just kind of guiding where it goes. I am going to leave that little section at the bottom to do later. Okay, we're going to come back here. Now I'm going to come in and fill the cookie. So I like to get my outline again good. It doesn't matter much how you fill it in. And I'm just going to sit there and go like this. And just kind of get it good. Okay. And then I actually have, you can do this or not, a little scribe here. You can take a toothpick. Just gonna kind of go through and smooth it out a little bit. When the icing's a little thinner, sometimes you don't need to do this, but this just kind of helps to smooth it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna give it kind of a little shake. And it just helps smooth it out. You can also use a little toothpick or scribe to get it just a little bit closer to the edge if you want. I frankly don't need mine to go straight to the edge, but I am gonna clean it up a little over here where it's starting to fall off the edge a little bit. Toothpick works great for this too. And then I'm gonna come down and I'm just gonna get this in real quickly. Okay, and then I can see a tiny little bubble forming here, so I'm just gonna pop that bubble. Maybe pop a little bubble there. Yeah, you can just kind of get any little bubbles, and then I have a filled cookie. Let's see, yeah, a filled cookie. Now this one I'm gonna set aside. If you want to do design on top of a cookie, you want to give it some time to dry, and once it's kind of crusted over, you can come back and do a design on top of that cookie. Okay, so this cookie I let dry a little bit. And now I'm going to come back on and just do a little simple design on top of it. So I'm going to start over in this corner and then just drape on like I showed you guys before. Down to this. I'm going to come around, do this little outline over here, and lighten my pressure up there to connect. And then I'm going to come over here, just very lightly connect those. And I'm letting it drape onto the cookie. I'm going to come back over here. Whoops. Okay, we're just going to connect that just a little bit there, a little bit there. This is one of those trials. Fix it a little bit. Now we're going to come up here, connect it in right here. When you do stuff like this, you don't have to have the cookie below you totally dry. You need it dry enough so that it's crusted over. If you do it right away, it'll become a wet on wet and the icing will just go into the other one. But if you let it crust over a little bit, then you can just put it right on top of the cookie. Now, if you want to at this point, you could also dab some sprinkles on there, but I think I'm gonna leave it just like it is.